Imagine you're at a cafe and the waiter asks, "What can I get for you?" Do you know what to say? Hello, English learners, and welcome to the English Daily Speak podcast. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm John.
Today, we have a super practical episode for you. We're going to practice real-life English conversations for daily situations. You know those moments when you need to speak English quickly and clearly, like when you're ordering food, asking for directions, or just chatting with a colleague. These are everyday situations, and we want you to feel confident in all of them.
That's right. We've prepared 5 short conversations, each about a common daily task. We'll give you some useful phrases, and you can listen, repeat, and practice with us. Our goal is to help you improve your listening and speaking skills and make your English sound more natural. So grab a pen and paper, or just relax and listen. Let's get started.
Conversation 1. At the cafe, ordering coffee and food.
First up, let's imagine you're at a cafe, you're hungry and thirsty, and you need to order. This can sometimes feel a bit fast, but don't worry. Listen for polite ways to ask for what you want. Pay attention to phrases like "Can I get?" or "I'd like."
Dialogue 1. Ordering at the cafe.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hello, can I get a large latte, please?
Sure. Anything else for you?
Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin.
Okay, so that's 1 large latte and 1 blueberry muffin. Anything else?
No, thank you, that's all.
All right, that'll be $7.50, please.
Here you go. Thank you.
Great. Notice how the customer used "Can I get?" and "I'd like." These are very common and polite ways to order. Also, saying "that's all" is a simple way to finish your order. Let's move on to our next situation.
Conversation 2. At the supermarket.
Conversation 2. At the supermarket. Asking for items and paying at the checkout.
Next, let's go to the supermarket. Sometimes you can't find what you need or you need to pay. Here, we'll practice asking for help and simple checkout phrases. Listen for phrases like "Excuse me, where is?" and "How much is?"
Dialogue 2. Supermarket shopping.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's in aisle 5, next to the dairy products.
Thank you. And do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, the bakery section is at the front of the store.
Great, thanks for your help. At the checkout.
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much is it?
That will be $25.75.
Here's my card. Can I pay by card?
Yes, please insert your card. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good job. Excuse me, where is perfect for asking for locations. And at the checkout, how much is it? Is essential, simple and clear.
Conversation 3. Asking for directions. Asking and giving. Simple directions.
Now, imagine you are in a new city and you need to find your way. Asking for directions is a very common and useful skill. Listen to how our speaker asks politely and how the other person gives clear instructions. Pay attention to phrases like, "Excuse me, could you tell me?" and "Go straight, then turn."
Dialogue 3. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the main library?
Of course. Go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
2 blocks, okay.
Then, turn left at the traffic lights. The library will be on your right.
So, straight for 2 blocks, then left at the lights. It's on my right. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Excellent. Could you tell me how to get to? Is a very polite way to ask. And when giving directions, using clear verbs like go straight, turn left, and it's on your right is very helpful. Always confirm the directions by repeating them back, like the tourist did.
Conversation 4. At work. Greeting a colleague and having small talk.
Now, let's move to a work setting. Small talk with colleagues is important for building good relationships. It helps create a friendly atmosphere. Listen to how they greet each other and find a simple topic to chat about. Look for phrases like, "How was your weekend?" and "Anything new?"
Dialogue 4. Small talk at work.
Good morning, Mike. How was your weekend?
Good morning, Sarah. It was great, thanks. I went hiking on Saturday. What about yours?
Oh, nice. Mine was pretty quiet. Just relaxed at home. Anything new with you this week?
Not much. Just getting ready for the big project meeting on Wednesday.
Ah, yes, me too. Well, I'll see you later then.
See you, Sarah.
See, simple and effective. How was your weekend? Is a classic opener. And responding with a brief answer and then asking, "What about yours?" shows good conversational etiquette. You don't need to talk about deep topics. Just a friendly exchange is enough.
Conversation 5. On the phone. Calling a friend to make plans.
Our last scenario is a common one, calling a friend to make plans. This involves asking about their availability and suggesting an activity. Listen for polite ways to propose ideas and confirm details. Pay attention to phrases like, "Are you free?" and "How about?"
Dialogue 5. Making plans with a friend.
Hey, John, it's Emma. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Listen, are you free on Saturday evening? I was thinking of going to see that new movie.
Oh, that sounds fun. Let me check my calendar. Yes, I think I'm free. What time were you thinking?
How about the 7 p.m. showing? We could grab dinner beforehand.
Perfect. Dinner and a movie. Sounds like a plan. Where should we meet for dinner?
Let's meet at the Italian place at 5:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, 5:30 p.m. at the Italian place. Got it. See you Saturday.
Great. See you then. Bye.
Fantastic. Are you free on? Is a direct but polite way to ask about availability. And how about? Is excellent for suggesting an activity or time. Always confirm the details like the time and place to avoid any confusion. This conversation shows how to smoothly make plans in English.
Wow, those were 5 great real-life conversations. We covered ordering food, shopping, asking for directions, small talk at work, and making plans with a friend. These are all situations you will definitely encounter when using English in your daily life.
Absolutely. And the key takeaway here is practice. Don't be afraid to try these phrases. Start with simple interactions and gradually build your confidence. The more you use English in real situations, the more natural it will become.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The important thing is to keep trying and keep learning. You can listen to these dialogues again, pause, and repeat the phrases. Try to imagine yourself in these situations.
And don't forget to adapt these phrases to your own needs. You can change the details, like the type of coffee you order, or the place you're asking directions to. Make it personal.
We hope this episode has given you some valuable tools and confidence to use English in your daily life. Every small conversation is a step forward in your English learning journey.
Thank you so much for joining us today on the Daily English Talks podcast. We love helping you improve your English.
If you found this episode helpful, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical English lessons and real-life conversation practice.
We'll be back soon with another episode to help you speak English confidently every day. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep talking.
Bye for now.
See you next time.